Maybe I should just please. Maybe I should. I don't really want to. Hi, hello, Pina. Hello. I really don't want to. I kind of really don't want to talk today. It's one of those, you know when the day gets so hot, your body just kind of shuts down in the most, like, lazy way possible? Thank you so much for the sub, Fina. Thank you. And it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but you just feel so lethargic because of the heat. And it's not like I'm super uncomfortable or anything. It's not the type of heat where, like, your body is uncomfortable and you need to get out of your skin. It's not that level of heat right now, but it's to the point where you just know that if you move and if you expend certain amounts of energy, you're just gonna kind of die. Right? Sounds like you're having a heat stroke. No. We don't need to be having any problems here that may require medical intervention. Alright, guys? We don't need to go to the hospital for anything. We don't need to take a break or anything. I'm still on my 12-hour grind. Okay? Every single day we play 12 hours of Power World. Okay? That's our shift. Our 12-hour shifts start every single morning. Okay? I like the VTuber. Thank you. You're just dying regular style? Yeah, I think that is. I'm just open. No, but I haven't streamed in a while. In fact, I think I haven't streamed in like 2 weeks almost, and I feel kind of bad because I'm supposed to be a streamer, guys. Guys, I'm supposed to be doing this as like my main hobby. Well, one of my main hobbies, I guess. So like, if I don't stream, it's like, what am I doing, man? It's good to see you for a sec. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's fantastic to see you as well, Brad. Brad, I've been breeding these little guys in Power World, and every single time I breed them, I just want you to know, sometimes I think about our community members, including you, about just like really desperate men and just begging their tall, thick queens to be with them. That's what I think whenever I'm doing Power World breeding. You, not Lynn. Lynn's married. Pocky, you, Buddha. Who else? There's a few others I can't think of off the top of my head, including you, of course. And it's just look, my Kelpsie right here. This is the male. Okay, this is the female. This cat right here is the female. Look at him. Look at my short king. Look at my adorable short king with genuine, honest, innocent eyes. And look at his queen. Look at his tall, thick queen. She's warm, she's soft, she's gentle, and she can sit on you. Oh, you know I love a big lady. Yeah, so does this Kelpsie, my man. So does this Kelpsie. Look at this guy. Look at him. He's just hovering her. He's just constantly circling around her. He's so obsessed with her. Look at this. Look at this. He's obsessed with her, man. Yeah. Somewhat accurate. Yeah, I don't really know how this keeps happening, but like, this isn't the first pairing where it's like a tiny male small pal with like a big female pal. Every single time I breed one of these pal pairings, it just unintentionally comes out as a small guy with a big gal. I'm not really sure how I keep doing this, but this has been happening for like the past hour. Only on camera do we see this. Chicken with his queen. Yeah, before this, our previous pairing was a chick. Hold on. It was a chickapea with. Where is this chick? Where is she? I gotta find her. She's beautiful. It was this woman. I had a Sibelisk. I had this beautiful. Hold on. I think I can. Let's do that real quick. Let me show you the queen. That little chicken was with this beautiful woman. This beautiful, gorgeous, Victoria's Secret supermodel was with a chicken. It was this chicken, by the way. I love your vids. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. I think the two of them were perfect for each other. Oh, Rex! Yeah, it's really fucking hot everywhere. Yeah, I don't really know if we're gonna make it. I don't know if we're gonna make it, Rex. I think we're gonna die. I think death is coming for us. But welcome back for 50. We have 4+ years together. Fantastic. Anyway, today's gonna be a really chill day because I don't want to expend a lot of energy, because if I expend the energy, I'm going to die. So I don't really want to do that. Today's goal was pretty much to just sit here and be really chill and talk about our days, you know, ramble about life, and just watch these pals fuck. I wasn't really gonna do anything besides watching pals fuck. So, you guys can watch it with me, I guess. Dying is pretty bad. I think you should avoid that. I mean, I think dying is like the most efficient way of escaping the heat, though. Yay? Nay? What do we think? Dying is probably the most efficient way of getting out of any problem. Also, I will be drinking a lot of water this stream. Whenever it gets really warm, I kind of start guzzling water, which means that I kind of piss a lot, which means that I kind of have to leave my desk a lot, because I am the champion master pisser. So. Yeah, the library's got a point. Also, Fina, I will be streaming for like 3 to 4 hours. I don't know what time zone you're in, so if it gets too late, don't feel so bad about not sticking around to the end. But thanks for trying, you know? It's like 32 degrees Celsius, like 90 F. My car is parked outside at work and it's in the sun all day. So when I leave my work, the car's registered at 43, which is 110. Oh, dude, I can't even imagine how it's like in different areas in like the deserts. In the deserts, oh my god. I think in like Arizona or something, it must be like 110 degrees on the floor. Just outside, it must be 110 for those guys. I can't imagine how life is like there. I mean, I grew up in California, so I know the heat can get bad. But in California, I wasn't like exactly in the desert. I was in, you know, the suburbs, which I guess is kind of desert sometimes. But I had it okay, all things considered, growing up. And now I also continue living close to the water, so the weather around me really is like 10 degrees lesser than what most people experience, you know? So it's like, it's still warm, but I have the nicer stick. You in Arizona? No, I'm not in Arizona. I've only visited Arizona. I'm not gonna lie, I don't understand why people choose to live in Arizona. That shit is disgusting. The weather there is disgusting. I don't understand how anyone can be okay with that weather. Nah, dry heat is actually a lot more tolerable than humid heat. I agree. Yeah, I agree. I definitely prefer dry heat over humid heat, but that's also because I was, you know, raised in California. I'm just more used to that kind of stuff. But also, like, the humidity that we get in the States really is not that bad sometimes, especially compared to like Asian humidity. And obviously some of us here have already experienced Asian humidity, so we know how bad it gets. When it's fucking raining indoors. Oh god. Biro! Oh, it's my wife! Hello, my wife! Hi, hello everybody, my name is Jin. I'm Firozera's wife. I'm her #1 biggest fan. I love everything that she does. She breathes and I cry tears of joy, okay? Thank you so much for rating, Firo. I don't know if it's getting nice and cool over there in... I almost said Arizona. You're not in Arizona, Firo. In Australia. My wife loves me too much. Never too much, Firo. Never. Not enough. Not enough. I don't give you enough. I need to work harder. I need to hustle so I can provide for my wife, provide everything for my wife so she literally never has to lift a finger and she can just breathe and everything is at her beckon. That is how I must live and support my wife. For those who don't know, Firozera is not actually my wife. I am married to an actual man. Firo is just one of my besties. I wish. Yeah. But yeah, thanks so much for dropping by, everyone. My name is Jin. I'm Firo's biggest fan. I'm a Chinese and English-speaking VTuber. If anyone needs to go to bed or whatever, please do. We're having a very chill stream because it's too warm for me to be high energy, so we're just kind of sitting here rambling about the day and being quiet. And we're just watching pals fuck, so, you know. I'm hungry. Wife. Would you like me to take you out for dinner? I'll be there on a flight! Hello, Jin. Wait, huh? Huh? Well, what's wrong, Jin? What's wrong? What did you say? What did I say? What did I say? What did I say? I don't know. What did I say? Can you make me a sandwich? Yes, anything for you, my queen. Anything for you, my queen. Oh? Okay. We have the lucky. We got the lucky onto the Kelpsie. So now, hold on, let me double check. What do I need? I think I already have, work slave conceded. Where's my Kelpsies? It's not there. The fuck are my Kelpsies? Those are my Flambells. Okay, Kelpsie? Lucky, conceded, work slave. That's good. Conceded, work slave. Lucky, conceded, work slave. Okay. And then we need Kelpsie to pass down into a Flambell, so it needs to breed with one of these guys. What are you, female? Okay, so we need to breed you with Pupperai so that we can get Lucky, conceded, work slave onto a Flambell. And then we'll need Lucky, work slave, artisan, remarkable. Okay. I wish I could get like a Pupperai with it though. Could I get a Pupperai with it? Pal's doing the Hanwha? The Pal's, look, Chris, look. The Kelpsie, this little blue guy, that's the male. This big cat, that's the female. It's just a short king with his thick, tall wifey. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't love beautiful? Love is so beautiful. Love is truly so beautiful. Get over here. You start fucking. And where'd he fucking go? Oh, come back. Come back! Come back! Come back! Alright. And you start fucking. Okay, fantastic. Is there a way to get Pupperai? Kelpsie, what a beast, exactly. I probably don't need this Flambell with work slave anymore. Yeah, this Flambell is good enough. Flambell with artisan, remarkable craftsman. I mean, Dainty Eater's not bad though. The abnormal here is so not worth it though. Like, we have to somehow get all of Kelpsie's abilities onto this guy. Dude, Insomnia is also good though. Does not sleep and continues to work even at night. Yeah, like this Kelpsie Ignis is honestly kind of goated already. I'm gonna just keep this guy. This one's like really good. I wonder, I'm gonna go turn on the Google. Let's see, can I make a Pupperai? Select Pupperai. Pupperai can also work with Ribbony Botan. Hi. there's not that many combinations that make Pupperai. Pumas, Daydream, Clovey Rushor, Teafop Fuddler, Pixie Fuddler, Chippy Hungyu, Teafop Hungyu. Okay, these are pretty easy, I guess. These are, like, not bad. Most of these combinations that I'm seeing online are actually pretty easy to do. That's good. I think maybe I should share the screen with you guys. Hold on, let me see if I can share this. Meaning browser. Okay, there's that. Oh, I gotta add it. What is this? It's a window capture, I think. Browser. Oh, it's huge! Okay. Alright, I've added it to both the vertical and the horizontal stream, so you guys should be able to see what I'm also looking at. Moved here because my dad was in Cali and my parents divorced and my dad was a stalker, so I moved to Arizona. So did that work? Did your dad stop stalking? Or is moving to Arizona supposed to, like, enable the stalking? What's happening here? It kind of goes both ways, my guy. No babies. Oh, there's a baby ready for me. Okay, what do you have? Conceited and fragrant foliage. Oh, kind of useless. Yes, it eventually stopped. Oh, fantastic. Wonderful. At least he's finally moved on. There's no extra stuff. That's good. Come on, give me a baby. Why are these guys so slow compared to the other ones? Alright, what about you? Nothing. Okay, alright. You guys suck. Those other babies kind of sucked. Okay, I'm kind of hoping that the Flambells are easy from these guys, but I have a feeling it's not going to be easy. Usually towards the end of the breeding period, they get really difficult to breed. What is Suntan Lover? 10% decrease in incoming fire damage. Kind of pointless. Hunger decreases by 10% slower. It's okay, I guess. Honestly, I wish I had more than one breeding slot. Should I make another breeding slot? Yo, Buddha. What if we made a second breeding pen? The cake situation. It's hard. Cake is kind of hard. Cake is really expensive. We have like a decent amount of cake right now, but the thing is, if we have like a second pen, it might be kind of hard to sustain that because we don't have a good flame howl right now, so cooking is really slow. And I also don't have the other cake recipes unlocked. Hold on, I need to search it. Yeah, I need to get the vegetable cake. I think the vegetable cake is actually like really useful. Yeah, Mushroom cake. Talents of the resulting pals will grow slightly more easily. Talents? What are talents on a pal? Active skills, passive skills, talents. Let me look this up real quick. Pal world. What are pal talents? Oh, it's passive skills. These are innate. Ah. Okay. Okay, so the mushroom cake is also good. Talents of the resulting pals will grow slightly more easily. I don't understand. How do you grow your passives? What? Okay, whatever. I think the double egg is probably better for us. And we're out of flour. Okay. I'll go make some flour then. Girl, I just noticed your profile. It's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I kind of really like it when my, how do I explain it? My profile for different websites, I like to decorate it a lot because I like to see how cute it can get. The one I haven't really done well on is Discord, and that's only because like I don't really know if I like any of the options Discord has offered. Literally all of the decorations on Discord, they're only okay to me, you know? Oh wait, we don't have enough base slots for another breeder here. We probably have to make another specific base for breeding. Oh, okay. But yeah, it's like on Steam, my mine is laden blue. Yeah, like on Steam, I like to decorate my Steam profile every once in a while. I think Steam has a lot of fantastic cosmetics to be working with. I also like to work on my YouTube profile and cosmetics there, because you literally just have to upload a picture. It's just that easy for YouTube, right? There's no limit to what you can do on YouTube. But and like similar with like Twitter, I like to also decorate my Twitter. I didn't decorate my Instagram, but that's only because I don't use Instagram. I'm not really big on Instagram because I don't know. Most of my friends are on Twitter. Like 2/3 of my friends are on Twitter. Maybe 1/3 of my friends are on Instagram. Like, yeah, I could go on Instagram and talk to those 1/3, but ultimately all of us are on Discord, so we can just share different links with each other on Discord, and that's fine. So I just don't really use Instagram. But I say that, but it's not like I use Twitter that much either. I just decorate it more because I'm more familiar with it, you know? Ah, it looks like our eggs are kind of expired. What the hell? What happened to our fucking eggs? Oh, nice. We have hella flour. Make some more. Egg situation's looking pretty bad. Flour situation's kind of mid. Honey's good though. I need another. Ugh. I need another way to cook. Or I can go to the other base to cook it. That'll probably be better. Got 3 minutes, 3.5. Oh. We have a new floor. What happened to our servant? Oh, did he go to bed? Okay. How much of the, we have a lot of wool, we have a lot of leather. We don't have a lot of horns, though. I wonder how we can get horns. At some point, we gotta farm that. I also know that there's something that we're missing. I think it's like ancient bark or something like that. We don't have any ancient bark. I don't know how to get ancient bark. You don't know what Twitter is, but it sounds like an app? It is an app. My bad. I'm a fucking... Okay, I'm not exactly a boomer, but I am a boomer if I'm using the word Twitter. I'm not saying X. It's because I'm old. Twitter is Twitter. X doesn't exist. Elon Musk never did all of that stuff to my Twitter, man. It never did. But yeah, I use X. My bad. I kind of forgot that it's called X now. Because nobody around me calls it X. Wait. Oh, the Kelpsie is awake. He's keeping guard. Oh no, she's keeping guard. The Kelpsie, oh my god. Headcanoning. The Kelpsie has anxiety and insomnia. She can't sleep at night. She's constantly overthinking and she's constantly worrying. And her overthinking is like, she just forgets that her man's at home, sleeping super peacefully. And she's like, oh my god, what if he's cheating on me? What if he loves another woman? He was out earlier today. What if he doesn't actually go to work and he just sleeps at another baby mama's house? And she just gives him money and that's how we pay our rent. Wait, but is that good or bad? Is it good or bad that he just takes money from his other baby mama to be with me? Should I just let this happen? He's not faithful to me. He's not faithful to her. But we're getting money without him working. Isn't that like the easy life? Isn't that good? But no, he's not faithful. But no, he's clearly cheating on both of us. He's immoral. It's not good. So what do I do? Is my man's a good man or a bad man? What kind of game is this? Hey Blinkers. Pal World. Man, how the fuck do you explain a game like Pal World? It's Pokemon, but with survival elements, basically. You explore, you fight, you collect Pokemon. You explore the world. You fight the Pokemon, you collect the Pokemon, and you put the Pokemon to slave labor, and you make them farm and mine and do stuff. And then you fight bigger and badder Pokemon, and you just keep rinse and repeating this. And then at the late game, you make the Pokemon breed, and you create the perfect Pokemon. And then you can go play PvP, which apparently there's ranked in this game. I don't know who does that, but apparently there's ranked in this game. So you can go play ranked, and fight people with your Pokemons. Yeah. Your VTuber froze. Oh, it sure did. My app crashed. SMH. Thanks for letting me know. What even is Pal World about? Pal World? Do you want the lore answer or do you want the gameplay answer? Because the lore answer is kind of silly. Well, not like it's not like a stupid silly. It's like a, huh, okay, kind of silly. You know, like absurdist type silly. Oh, baby. We got a baby. Have we fought the boss in Fey Break? I don't think so. Lucky conceited work slave. I think that was it. I think that was it, guys. I think unironically that was it. Hold on a second. Lucky conceited work slave, artisan remarkable. Yeah. Oh my god. No, wait. Where are you going? Why are you going here? No, come here. Oh my god, and you're a male and female. Oh my god, I didn't look at it, but it's perfect. Holy shit, they're about to make the most beautiful babies. They're about to make the most beautiful baby. What is unstable? Sanity drops? Okay, whatever. Oh my god. We're finally getting to the perfect pal. What is the Pal World lore? The Pal World lore is that you wash up on the shores of this island. You wash up on the shores of right here, on this land here. And you learn that a bunch of people have washed up on these shores, and they have had a very, very hard time living on this land. and they all want to go home, but they can't because the seas are just too rough, and there's just no way to build a ship to get back home for whatever fucking reason. Not to mention, a lot of them are paid to be here. A lot of them were paid by a company to come here and do research. And there are multiple companies on this land. And they are researching hidden, lost, forgotten technology about animal slavery, basically. Right now, at the early stages of the lore, all you really know is that a bunch of people washed up on the shores, a bunch of people are hired to be here, and there are a bunch of fucking animals. And you're one of the people who washed up on the shores for unknown reasons. And you have to gain resources and gain materials to get stronger and stronger to survive the lands, because there's a lot of strong animals that are constantly trying to kill you, and the elements of the world are also trying to kill you. And so in order to not die and to survive the harshest of environments, you have to keep leveling up your gear and keep getting better materials and better pals to fight with and fight against. And throughout your journey, you discover that there's a bunch of bad people who not only want to enslave the pals, but also want to like abuse them and stuff. And it's not like we're doing anything different. We're doing the same thing. Obviously, being decent people, we have to go and destroy these organizations that are being mean to the animals. And during that, you discover that a lot of them are doing research on the animals and like animal testing and they're taking advantage of the natural resources as well. I forgot the term for it. But yeah, they're like deforesting, they're burning shit down, they're mining for oil, they're fragging, all of this shit. Yeah. So they're destroying the environment, they're enslaving the animals, they're doing a bunch of animal testing and abuse, and you're like, wow, that's really bad. I'm doing the same thing! But that's really bad. We need to fight these guys and take them down and stop all of this inhumane bullshit going on, even though we're doing the exact same thing! So yeah. The earlier stages of the story is basically that. I don't really know what the later stages of the story are, but I think basically you discover what the old civilization is and all of their old technology and all of that jazz, and then you find like the big boss and you kill the big boss, and then of course you want to go fight the big pals and all of that stuff. And I think at some point you discover that all of these animals are like artificial creatures or whatever. Like some of them are artificially made and some of them are naturally made, like by the world and evolution and stuff. So I think there's like more going on, but I haven't gotten there yet, so I wouldn't know. So yeah. Anyway, it's Ark Survival Evolved cartoon in Pokemon. Yeah, but I don't think Chris has ever played Ark Survival, and I don't think he knows it. Also, hi Biku. Washing up on the shore like a drunk man lost at sea? Yeah, that's me. It's called Under New Management? Yeah! No, we don't make our animals insane. I mean, we don't try to make them insane, but they go insane regardless because they're not supposed to be living a life under slavery. We are friends. We sure aren't. I don't treat them as friends. We sold our own children, Buddha. We told an innocent couple to pump out babies, and we sold their babies. What do you mean we're friends, Buddha? We are not friends with these guys. Also, enslaving them is humane because they're not real. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what anyone is talking about. This topic never happened, guys. Epstein practices do not happen on our island. I don't know what you guys are talking about. No, sir. We've never heard of a guy named Epstein before in our life. He is not a guidebook for how we operate here. Slightly better wages, 1% pay increase. 1% multiplied by the base number of $0 sure is an increase of $0. I agree. They sure did get that 1% pay raise. Don't treat them like low buddy. Anything but that. Oh, so it's a Jeffrey lore. It's a bit like a Jeffrey lore. It's a lot of basically just like a Jeffrey lore, except we are not doing anything with the pals. We just tell the pals to do a lot of stuff, and the pals do the stuff for us. And then we take their children, and we, you know, yeah, it's you know. It's just efficient. You know, that's all it is. That's all it is. It's just a game about efficiency and profit. That's all it is, guys. That's all it is. I think before Kosetsu came back, I had like $900,000 in my pocket. It'll be really easy to make our million. Now, Uncle, there are no laws against the PAL. Actually, I'm fairly certain there are some laws against the PAL. We just don't listen to them. I'm fairly certain there are some laws against the PALs. We just don't listen to them. And we just kill the police that come towards us. I'm fairly certain that's just what happens. You're the ugliest fucking Flambell I've ever seen in my fucking life. You're the biggest disappointment. You would sell for nothing. You would sell for nothing. You accomplish nothing. You are the biggest disappointment for your parents. Do you know what your parents are here for? Do you know why your parents are locked up and forced to fuck 24/7? Do you understand what your purpose is? Do you understand that if you come out with 3 of your legs fucking crippled and broken and dismembered already, do you realize how useless you would be? Why did this Flambell have to come out with fucking nothing? Like, what the fuck? A helicopter mom here. Your phone's at 10%. Okay, well, if you stop chatting, I'll know what happened. Jin, that one that just hatched was from the Kelpsea? Was it? Jin was running a PAL mill SMH. Was it? I thought that one was already from these two. Okay, if it's from the Kelpsea, it's still kind of a high key, still a disappointment though. It came out with like nothing. Like actually came out with nothing. Insomnia! It has insomnia! It came out with a mental disorder. What the fuck? It came out after 3 generations of breeding with a fucking mental disorder. That's what it came out with. You're gonna create the PAL World equivalent of a pug dog. No! No! I'm creating the PAL World equivalent of Gold Ship. That's what I'm creating. Actually, no, it's not Gold Ship. I'm trying to breed a Secretariat. That's what it is. This Flambell, these 2 Flambells have the potential to birth a Secretariat. That's how goated their potential baby could be. And we're just here waiting for them to pop out babies and to see if they have that enlarged heart or something. Gen Z Flambell? Yeah. Wheezy and crippled. I'm just a sad and perfect Victorian child. Please, please give me some gruel. No, just go die. You're worthless to me. We're just saving up all of the Flambells so that they can, I can compress them into the one Flambell for Buddha. I can maybe, like, make 2 of them, and then save it, and then Buddha can have them, and then Buddha can just breed perfect Flambells every time. Well, perfect for working, not perfect for combat. Perfect for combat requires a whole different set of skill sets. So, it's gonna be really hard to get. Because I have not worked on it. I've been breeding Flambells for like oh wait, how long have I been breeding? I've been breeding Flambells for 2 hours now. It has been 2 hours of Epsteining. And we're almost there. We're on our last generation. We might get something. Castile. What do we even need? You know what? On a short break, upset and not willing to do any tasks? What the fuck is wrong with some of our guys? Go to the fucking... Yo. Why are these guys upset? Why don't you guys go into the, We have hot springs for a reason here, fellas. You can take your vacation. Why are they mad? Alright. Maybe it's the food quality. Maybe we need to start making salads for them. Maybe instead of just giga berries, we need to start making salads. Sanity is 11, 7, 7, 18. Is this expensive though? Oh. Wow, our terror protection kind of sucks. We can do this. No, I kind of don't want to do that. Salads? Yeah, salads are like way easier. Let's just make 1,000 salads. Make them eat the salads for a little while. I think maybe their sanity is getting a little bad. And then we'll go back to the, we'll go back to berries. Think you'll stay for another hour? Have battery saver on and my brightness is all the way down. So your percentage will go down really low. Okay! You could survive another hour, okay! I mean, how come you don't have a charger next to your bed, though? Or, like, where you are? Are you kidding me? She came out with scoliosis? Are they so inbred that they're coming out with scoliosis? Like, what is this? What is light-footed anyway? What is this? Mounted jump count, +1. I mean, that's actually kind of good. Okay. What's wrong? Why are you guys so inbred that your babies are coming out with scoliosis and the Habsburg jaw? Like, should you guys take my normal cakes? Yes. Yes, we sure did. Also made took everything. It's all here. Well. It's also pretty. Okay. Alright. Your least favorite viewers here? What do you mean? What the fuck is this? Oh my god. Huge mutated egg? Huh. Well, that's not gonna be a fucking flambelle. Oh my god, it's gonna take a whole fucking hour. How did that come out of the flambelle? Dude. She had a big fucking baby, man. She had that big shits. Wait till we can all do the boss to open the world tree. Yeah. Little tree might still give things out for us. We're taking it pretty slowly right now. What is this other pal done? 30 seconds. Okay. The boss is level 70. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Gonna need a few days then. Anyway, hi Ghost Spirit. I got distracted. My bad. Hi. You're not the least favorite. You're definitely not the least favorite. Trust me. It will eventually dry in the morning. Okay. At least it's just water, you know? Do you watch Love Island? No. I purposely block that stuff on my TikTok and such. I don't watch a lot of TV shows nor movies to begin with. Not really like one of those anti-movies or movie like show people. I'm not really anti-entertainment. It's just that like I highly prefer playing video games over sitting down and watching something. If I watch something, it has to be something like super engaging in some way, I guess. It has to be one of those like objectively very like well-written type stories where people are just constantly praising the writing or like the direction or whatever the fuck and that kind of stuff. So I think at that point when its popularity proves itself, that's when I decide to watch something. Yeah. I'm not really the type of person to watch for, to kill time, you know? I used to be, though. When I was in middle school, I used to watch, like, all the episodes of, like, One Piece, Naruto, Detective Conan, Pokemon. I used to, like, watch... Oh, wait, no, I never watched Pokemon. What was it? I watched, Cartoon Network shows and stuff. It has conceited and remarkable craftsmanship, but... No. It's not good enough. Conceited, remarkable craftsmanship. Conceited, lucky work slave. Remarkable artisan. It has to have remarkable, artisan, lucky, and work slave, I think. Let me double check. Lucky and work slave. Yeah, we don't want conceited, actually. Okay, we're getting close. That child had potential. That was like one of the earlier daughters of the Satono family, you know? But we're looking for Satono Diamond. We're looking for a Satono Diamond to come out of the Satono family here. I watched Sabrina the Teenage Witch. My sister's watching Love Island at full volume. Damn. A full volume just to listen to those people argue. I watched My Hero Academia. I haven't watched all of My Hero. To be fair, I kind of lost interest in it. I think I stopped reading it around the, it was the summer camp where we first encountered the blood girl, where she sucks your blood. It's also the first time there was like a little boy or something that Deku had to take care of. There was like, I don't know, it was a summer camp where they basically just got fucked over. So, yeah. Hi, Peace Alien. Hello. Well, that's where I stopped reading it. I know there's like so much more after that, but I don't know. The summer camp kind of lost momentum for me. Hello, Jin. Hello, Devil Knight. How are you? Welcome back. Good to see you again. We are having a very not short day. Chill day. If you enjoy very slow streams, very slow days, then this is it right here. On your last talkie. It's okay. You will have more. It's only a temporary loss. You will only temporarily not have any talkies. You will have talkies soon enough. One day. Is this Power World? Yes, sir. We are playing Power World, but not like actively playing it. We're kind of just sitting and talking and watching the Flambells breed. That's all it is. Because we're looking for the perfect Flambell. We're breeding for the perfect fire worker so that she can cook things real fucking fast. But also, I think Buddha still needs to farm for like a fuck ton of books. He needs to... Hold on. Do you even have all those books, Buddha? Oh, you got 5. Okay. You got 5 of them. You need like 4 more. That's a good start. I think Flambells also do handling, don't they? I have to double check. What do Flambells do? Flambells, handiwork, transporting, farming. I mean, the kindling for sure is the #1 thing for her. I mean, would you increase the handiwork? Her handiwork would be pretty good with whatever we give her when she comes out. When the perfect Flambell comes out, it would be good. I don't know how good the transporting is, though. I don't know how the transporting scales. But yeah, farming, definitely not important. I don't know what she drops when she's farming, though. Sometimes drops flame organ when assigned to the ranch. Okay, that's useless. But we definitely don't need that. But yeah, I think the Flambells... Hold on. It's a big one. A big Taki. Dude, now you get to enjoy all of the powder at the bottom of the bag. Transporting, cooling, medicine, lumbering, gathering, electricity, planting, watering, kindling. Where's the handling? Is there no handling? We have no handling books? The fuck? Why is the leather in here? Skill fruits, others. We do not want pal materials. We do not want... Okay, we can have pal eggs, I guess. But we don't. We don't want pal eggs. We don't want armor. We don't want glider. We don't want ammo. We don't want spheres. We don't want accessories. We don't want weapons. Skill fruits. Not other consumables. Not schematics. Enhancement items. Key items. Enhancement items. Okay. Yeah, okay. Where the fuck is the leather? That's stupid. Ooh, what this? Meemog! Yay! I'm picking this up. Yay, Meemog! I finally caught a... I didn't catch. I finally got a Meemog. Jesus Christ. I failed to catch a Meemog twice already in this game. Those guys are so fucking fast. I do not know how to catch them. Do you know Edmonds? No. I do not know anything about Edmund X. I've never heard of it. In fact. Man, is it me or did they get slower? Fuck me. Oh well, if someone can just... I wish like someone could AFK the base while I go grab some materials. I want to go buy some eggs, milk, and whatever so I can make some more cake, but we also just don't have... We just don't have a good cook. Oh, Hexalite! Start production. Dude, this is gonna take fucking forever!
Yeah.
Meemog. All fighting together, Meemog can open treasure chests without using a key? What the fuck? Wait, that's actually so nice. Except I have like giga fuck tons of keys, so it doesn't matter. And now they're sleeping instead of fucking. Oh my god. Like, what do you mean you need to take a break? You don't need to take a break from fucking. Just fuck all night long. Come on. Come on, guys. To go, but I promise I'll come back. Not a problem. Good luck with your phone. Not dying. I want to go out and collect some materials. It's kind of boring just like watching these guys, you know? Waiting to craft. Not enough electricity. Uh-oh. He's sleeping. Okay, clear that. Search. Sort. Sort. Go see where this guy's going. Are you working? You are working. Okay, they're all working. How come the batteries actually ran out? Are the batteries that bad? It's hard to believe that the batteries do not last that long. Electricity is gonna be really important then in the late game. Bye! Bye, Fina! Bye-bye! Oh. One baby is done. Let's look at this baby. Oh! Oh. It's mid. It's just one of the older Satonos, I guess. What's stronghold? Increasing flare defense. Oh. Yeah, that one's good. Sure you find first. These are all okay. Work speed. Work speed 20%. Pyromania. Increase of fire attack. Okay, that's so useless. I do a 4, you're also a 4. Maybe I should take you. Alright, you go. Harvesting. I do not want you harvesting, guy. I need you generating electricity. Oh, they're awake. Oh. The dude is fucking awake. Eyes are bloodshot. Something is wrong. Quite stressed out? Which one? You? What's wrong? Why are you still working? You should go to the fucking spa. Spa time. Alright. You feeling better? I think it's feeling better. Alright, hopefully it's okay. Alright, get back to fucking. Come on, wake up! The sun's coming out. Chop chop. Oh, what are they doing? Ah, computer. 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 Oh, computer. Bro, we haven't even made one hexalite this whole time. Yikes. Oh, it's gonna take fucking forever. Large scorching egg. Oh. This one's an alpha. Oh, it's 40 minutes. Oh my god. Can I give birth to something normal so we can just pump babies out? Hi, Koshetsu. Welcome to the Twitch chat. Well, what are we up to now that I got the notification that there's stream? Oh, give me a sec. Your message came as I was stretching. Anyway, what we're up to, I'm just collecting flambels. I'm just breeding flambels. There's nothing else that I'm doing right now. Oh, we already have the fancy quartz farm down there. I don't know what Buddha's making, but he's making computer parts, so. Yeah. Let's see, are we low on anything? I'll be honest with you, I'm not sure if we're low on anything either. We're just starting late game, so a lot of our stuff, we're just missing like late game stuff. Yeah. I guess, I mean, we have enough oil. Yeah, we have a lot of oil. I don't know, man. Feeling down because of bad working conditions? Are you feeling down, sir? Maybe you should take a fucking break. Go to the bathhouse. There you go, buddy. Life is not supposed to be that hard. Alright, buddy. Alright, they still got plenty of berries. How's the salad situation? Not good. Not good. Salad situation's looking pretty bad. Why the hell is Anubis just dropping shit on the floor? Ah, hello, Pocky. You're hot as balls. Can you what now? Nothing. Don't worry about it. I'm just rambling. Don't worry. Power World, whatever, man. Don't worry. Boy, one hand, that huge golem. I didn't know you were a unit, Jin. I am an absolute fucking unit according to the lore in this game. According to the lore in this game, I think, unironically, I am, like, one of the strongest individuals on this island. No joke. And I just get stronger and stronger with the armor that continues to grow with me. So, you know, might be a big boss man. I might be a Giga Chad on this island. I might be the Chad. I'm not, you know, my potential is the Chad. I haven't hit the Chad status, though. On this island. There's like other shit. But at some point, don't worry, at some point we'll get to Chad status. But right now we're just watching these flambels. Best analogy I got for you, bro, is that this is the Satono farm and we're breeding a bunch of horses. These are the horses, these are the Satono horses from the Satono farm, and we are trying to get Satono Diamond. So far, we've had a bunch of Satono sisters, but we have not gotten Satono Diamond. So yeah, that's what we're trying to do here. You know, Kosetsu, I don't think he I think whenever he wants to by himself, he'll do it by himself. I think Buddha's like in the workflow right now, so just we gotta leave him alone. Yeah, he wants to do his own thing. Yeah, sounds about right. Kosetsu, you gotta let Buddha do his own thing. He's the type of guy who wants to do everything on his own. He just likes it when some people help him gather materials. That's all. That's kind of about it. Wait, real? Satono Diamond of Howlworld? No, no, no. It's an analogy. You know how Satono Diamond is the first Satono horse that actually won something? Okay, you know how that's like, you know how that's the lore? So the lore is that we're trying to get the perfect horsey. We're trying to get the perfect Flambelle out of all of these other Flambelles. We're breeding a bunch of pals together so that we can get the perfect pal. And then we're going to train that pal into the best fucking pal possible. So AKA, we're trying to give birth to Satono Diamond and we will train them into the winning horse. That's the analogy. Yeah. Okay, well I bought the mats for it. Oh, thanks, cuz. I mean, you can leave it at your base if you want. Or if you can put it in our chest, that's also fine. But Buddha's just kind of doing his own thing right now, so you can just leave him alone. I'm an egg. Are you an egg? Banana Fex is an egg? Bananas have eggs? Oh, but maybe it's because you're a banana Fex. Fexes have eggs. What's a banana Fex? Coralum ingot. Oh, I didn't know you could make coralum ingot. I just knew there was coralum. Coralum, hexolite, a lot of unfamiliar materials that I have not gone to. Buddha has gone to it though, because he is way more ahead than I am. Satoru Diamond. Dude. A Satoru Diamond would have had no troubles winning the Uma races. Alright, chop kiddos, come on. Wow, you are taking forever to give a baby. Oh, what is this one done? 4 minutes! Oh, that's good, that's good. Hopefully we get something interesting. But anyway, unfortunately, this breeding only works when someone's AFK at the base, so I can't really leave. I'm just kind of stuck here watching them. Hiya. I wanna go explore. I wanna go fishing. Can I get the gold again? Yeah. Oops, that's not the right button. Speaking of gold, maybe I should just go sell some more. Because we had a little bit of excess. Let me go sell some stuff. A lot of doomuds I gotta bother with. I might as well melt away. Are you gonna melt away today? Come on, Pocky, it's not so bad. It's only in the 90s. You haven't hit the hundreds yet, it's not so bad. Come on. You could tough it out. This might be a mistake. I did not bring a pal. It's gonna take fucking forever in order to get back home. Wow, having the stamina upgrade just like 5 times already changes the lighting by so much. Wow, holy shit. I actually don't have to drop down. I'm widowy melting away. Widowy? Wait. Actually widowy? Hey, bud. I got some shit I need to sell. Okay. Hold on. Helpedia, sort, search, that, search, okay. Where are my doomuds? Whopper, ferocious lineman, infinite stamina. Clumsy, infinite stamina, omnivore, clumsy. Work slave. Clumsy, insomnia, infinite stamina. Isn't infinite stamina for like... Alright. None of them are good. None of them are good, so I'm just gonna sell all of them. I need... what is this? You are male, you are female. Okay. And, yep. Alright. What do you have for sale? Wish pause. Cactus. Alright. That's good enough. Let's see, how do I get home? Cross the water. Back up that tower. Okay. Would you be fine with me stealing them flambeals for 2 seconds to give them the trait to speed up reading? Do you have the nodule for it? Because the reason I haven't done it is because I just don't have the upgrade for it. Yeah. Okay, sure. I mean, it's not that pressing because we're only breeding flambeals. The end goal is to get a Giga Chad flambel. This is like the last generation, so it's okay if it's a little slow. But yeah, feel free. Make sure, hold on, let me come back home and tell you which traits I want gone, though. Because I need you to know which ones are important. Alright. Coming home. You know, Pocky? Earlier today, my fan is like kind of tall. So it doesn't flow to the bottom. Like the air doesn't go to the bottom. So I put my fan at the bottom. Like I laid it on the side so that it can blow into my PC. Desperate times, man. Desperate times. Unfortunately, I have to put my fan on the fucking side for it to do anything. Alright, for the flambeals, you can get rid of, obviously, Unstable and Suntan Lover. Those are the two you should get rid of. Actually, is it possible to just remove them? Wait, pause. It's so hot today. Yes, fuck my family. Welcome back, by the way. How you doing? Sweaty, low energy. Not like tired or anything, but like annoyed. Nope. If it's there, I can't remove, but replace. Okay. Alright then, yeah. Replace Suntan Lover and replace Unstable. Thank you. Okay. Oh, you're terrible, you're terrible, you're terrible, you're incompetent, you're terrible, I hate it. Oh my god. Oh! I got a Yormantide Ignis. Yippee! How good are you, sir? A number 7. Wow. I'm gonna need you to sit down and blow fire. How good are you? Attack, defense, your work speed is kinda ass, but that's okay. Finally, a half-decent fire breather. It's still so slow. Oh, it's still so slow. Oh, man. Oh, egg. What game is this? This is Pal World. It's basically Pokemon, but with hella survival elements. Philanthropist. When assigned to a breeding farm, breeding speed is increased by 100%! What the fuck? Wait, fuck, man. That's so good. Thank you. Now 200% because there's 2. Wait, is that how that stacks? I don't think that's how that stacks. They both have it? Is that how that works? I have no idea if that's how that works. I have unused stat points. Okay. Let's just increase the carry weight. Yeah, they both have it, but I thought that it's to this. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna look this up real quick. Philanthropist. When assigned to a breeding farm, breeding speed is increased by 100%. Right. Okay, so it's not for the self. It really is just applied to the breeding farm. Like, that's actually kind of good. That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay. Thank you very much. Oh my god, there's already an egg! Oh my god! Wow! That's incredible. Oh? Work slave fit as a fiddle. I'm sorry, what? Max stamina only available. Okay. Work speed, work speed. Man, you're so close. Oh, we're getting there, we're getting there. We're getting there. Is it possible to move the skills from a PAL onto another PAL? Or does it have to be a node onto a PAL? Like, you can't transfer between PALs, right? The only way to transfer between PALs is through breeding. The node is the only way to get it on. No, it's node. Okay. I fuck off now. I'll get you something for your furnace. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. The game looks pretty good. Yeah, the game is pretty good. Except, today, I'm not playing the game. I'm just sitting here watching the game do its own thing. It's too hot. It's just too hot to bother, man. What does endgame look like? You know that clip of the little bird flapping its wings to avoid a tsunami, Pocky? That's what endgame looks like. That's endgame. Yeah. World Tree is also endgame. I mean, I don't know how to describe World Tree, unfortunately, because I've never been there. But yeah. It's like me when I play the game versus Doomskull Mini Picks. You understand what I'm doing. Yeah, no, earlier before when I wasn't streaming, when I was just playing the game, I was just kind of AFK sometimes. And whenever I'm AFK, like doing something, I'm just scrolling on my phone. I'm just scrolling TikTok on my phone while I'm holding down like the F key working on something in the camp. Because you have to hold the button down like manually in order to actually craft an item in the game. I'm like, yeah, you can have the pals do it, but my pals are really weak, so they're not very fast at it, so I also have to help, you know? But yeah, because of that, I've just been like scrolling TikTok while working on the game. Also, give me a second. I think there's a wee hair in my nose and it's so itchy. the fuck? Where's this Mimi hair? Is this my hair? No, it's a Mimi hair. I found it. There it is. It's a singular Mimi hair that was in my nostril. Oh my god, it was so itchy. Okay, I got it. Give me another baby. Yes! Jeffrey will be taking this. Yippee! We got a baby coming out in a minute, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes. Yay, babies! Damn, 41 minutes for that though. Should try the game called Crossy Roads. Seems like one of those games you would like. Don't worry, man. I was there when Crossy Roads was invented for the iPhone 4. I was there when Crossy Roads was born. Yeah, I used to play a lot of Crossy Roads on my old phones. But it's good for like the road, but that's about it though. Outing yourself as an ancient? I was there when the manuscripts were written! You speak of the ancient texts. I was there! I was there as I witnessed the ancient texts being written! You could not fathom what I know! Yeah, I was also there when Flappy Bird came out. I was also there when the creator got so many death threats he stopped working on Flappy Bird. And I was there when Flappy Bird was revived through a different person. And I was there when Flappy Bird was just copied. Oh, you're so fucking useless. What the fuck was that? Back in my day, Flappy Bird was new technology. Yeah, I know, right? Remarkable craftsmanship and work slave is good, but we've got better flambels right now. Where are my... Yeah, there's my towers of flambels. Yup, here's all my fucking flambels. Wait. Conceited word slave lucky. Conceited? Oh. Why is it remarkable? Yeah. 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 Like, come on guys. It's not hard to create the perfect baby now, is it? Surely. The height of mobile gaming, back when Fruit Ninja wasn't in arcades, back when people used to go to arcades. To be fair, I think Western arcades are pretty bad. I don't think Western arcades are very good because when you go to like Round 1 or like an Asian arcade, it's just so much better, you know? Western arcades are just not it. Oh! No, wait! No, it doesn't have... it doesn't have the thing! You were so close! You were so close to perfect! Oh, you were so close to perfect! No! Okay. What can we can maybe replace it. We can maybe replace it, right? This one... Conceited work-slave artisan. Conceited work-slave? Remarkable? No, we can't replace anything! We need lucky! I'm so mad. I'm so mad. We need remarkable craftsmanship and lucky. This thing doesn't have either. Fuck me, man. There's more philanthropists, I guess. It's not bad. It's not a bad pal. It's just not the best. You're you're so close. You're so close. Oh my god, they went to sleep! We need 2 rainbows and 2 golds, I think is what it is. I'm double checking my list. Remarkable artisan workslave lucky. Remarkable artisan. Huh. Yeah, so we need 2 rainbow, 1 gold, 1 white. 2 rainbow, 1 gold, 1 white. And then, yeah, delivery. Oh. Ooh la la! Ooh la la! Oh, another baby is born. Artisan sleek stroke. Ew. Oh, it's epic. It only takes 40 minutes. Okay. Comes out at the same time as the huge mutated egg. Cool. We get to see what they're doing. We get to see what it is. Why is there a honey? Oh my god. Why is my Yormantide Ignis not working? Is it because you're creating stuff here? Are you busy with this top task? Ah, I see. The Hexalite situation is looking real bad. Alright, we'll just sit here and stare at the fucking eggs. Yeah, let's stare at this egg. It has an Asian stat line? What does that mean? What does that mean? How Asian it is? Eh. Like how easily it can impress the parents? Or how much of a disappointment it is? All of these are disappointments. Are you kidding me? Why do I have so much random shit? Wait, where do I put my... I think arrows go in here. Yeah. Am I clean? I'm clean. Oh, look at that. I have my 1 million. I'm a millionaire. How much weight is this, actually? 0. Holy shit. All those gold coins. Gold, one of the densest metals. All those gold coins amount to no weight. We must be the strongest motherfucker on this planet, man. Bro holds it like light work. It's light work. Of course it's light work. I got meaty hair in my nose again. The fans! It just kicks up all of the meaty fur in my room. Keeps me cool, but also fucks over my nose, man. I have a lot of group chats talking right now. What are they saying? We live in Smurf. I understand. Cali cat. Ah. I need to vote on something. Let's see. I am not voting yet. I do not know what the vote is about. You're going to ANYC this year? You don't want anything? No, we already have a friend. We've already talked to about it. We have an IRL friend that we talked to about ANYC. So you're chilling. Okay. Alright, I looked over all those messages. Okay, let's look at this baby. Nope. Actually, that's a pretty okay baby. It's help me. How do I? There we go. We'll actually keep her. Having just a regular philanthropist is pretty good. What's the next one? 8 seconds? Alright. Bless. Thank. Artisan and apple. Dude, it's looking real bad right now. Oh, this last generation is really fucking bad. What is this guy doing? Why is he just flopping like that? Wait, did I forget to put the egg in? No. There's just nothing. Oh, it was a large egg? Wait, was it a large egg? No, it wasn't. It was just a regular egg. I'm so lost. Well, everything will be done in 30 minutes anyway. I gotta joke my twin. What is up? What is the worst crime a melon can commit? Okay, it has to be a Melanie, right? Okay. Yeah, it is a Melanie. Of course it is. Of course it is, twin. Thank you, twin. You got a chuckle out of me, twin. Egg gambling looks fun. Egg gambling is pretty chill, I gotta say. The only problem is you have to AFK at your base to do it. You can't go AFK doing any other things. So, it's like, that's why it's endgame content. I'm not in endgame, but I kind of don't really care for exploring right now because I'm getting to a point where I need better Pokeballs, and my current Pokeballs are low-key kind of ass. And so it's really hard to catch the pals right now because the Pokeballs are so ass. So Buddha's, you know, advancing our material sciences. So maybe after the material sciences gets better and we have a better foundation for our late game materials, then we will have more reliable balls for catching the pals. But at this current point, I don't have a reliable way of catching pals. I'm just kind of wasting resources half the time, so I decided I should just start breeding instead. Yeah, you got another joke. Alright, let's hear it, twin. What's the worst crime a lobster can commit? What is it, twin? A lobotomy. Wait, is lobotomizing people illegal now? You can also just dip from the server. It does keep going. I mean, yeah, I know it does keep going. But at some point, the farm like hits a max limit and you just can't do anything else. Snowfa's here! Yippee! Oh my god. It's the Snowfer. Snowfer! Yippee! Yay! I'm streaming right now, so let me know if you don't want to be on camera. It's chill though. I'm just breeding cows right now. Yes, it is. Dude, I wanna know. I wanna know shit. She said balls. Yeah, and? What's throwing me off having this grandma say it? What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm not a grandma. I'm more like... I'm not even middle-aged. I'm just an adult. Anyone know when Jin added twin into their dictionary? It's been in my dictionary, I just don't use it. But I need someone to help with the boss on Fabric Island so we can get much faster incubation times and it can hold 20 eggs. Oh, I know which one you're talking about. But where's Fabric Island, though? I mean, I can come. It's not gonna be great. I'm kind of weak right now, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of my pals are really bad at combat. All of my pals are literally just for, like, exploration. I do not have a combat pal. So, my combat power is kind of ass. What are you youngsters saying nowadays? I don't know, Teto. I don't know. But it's dangerous out here. They're calling everyone twin. Powerful fishing magnet. Oh. 90 of them? What the fuck? Hope you have a gun. I have a gun. Pew, 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 pew. That's all I got. It'll be good enough. I wonder what Buddha's been crafting this whole time. He's been making so much stuff, but I don't know what he's making. So, Buddha, what have you been working on? Grab foods before we get into this. I have salads. I have hella salads. So I'm good on that. Making stuff for the next production table? I see, I see. Do I even have that unlocked? Let me double check my technology. Extravagant vegetable cake requires cotton candy. Oh. Speaking of, I need to go update. I need to go grab the fucking cake recipe. Mushrooms. Yeah, this one's better. The vegetable cake is actually really good. I should definitely use that. Blah 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 blah. Guild chest. Logging site 2. Sulfur quarry. Large incubator. I don't need to unlock these. Pure quartz quarry. Oh, I mean, I already have those unlocked. Oh. Must defeat Faybreak Tower. Damn. I haven't even defeated Moonflower Tower. This isn't gonna work. I don't even... Yo, Kusetsu, I don't have enough damage to do Moonflower Tower. I'm definitely not gonna have enough damage to do Faybreak Tower. Unfortunately, I don't think I can help you with this. Realistically speaking, I don't think I'll be of help. Anyway, egg. You're good as long as you drag the boss off of me. You think you have enough damage to do solo it then? Holy shit, all of these eggs completed at once. Remarkable, artisan, serious, and then heavyweight. Vampiric? Well, hold on. Oh, give me a second. Remarkable artisan. Remarkable artisan. Serious. Remarkable artisan. Serious heavyweight. Artisan abnormal. Remarkable. Nah, we still gotta keep it with this. Alright. Anyway, let me recheck. What is this? Watashi wa totemo ta something? Not difficult. Not touch. I'm so tough is what it says. Watashi wa totemo tafu na otoko. I think I'm understanding. Hold on, my Japanese is very, very bad because I've only studied like 1 year of it. 3 years, I guess. But it's introductory Japanese. You are very tough. Man. But you called yourself multiple guys, so I guess that's why I'm confused. What is that armor? This armor is called Cold Resistant Hexalite Armor. And it's the uncommon variant, so it has 660 defense and 1900 HP. It's pretty solid. It's been keeping me alive through mid game so far. This Kosetsu grabbed it for me. You know, I need a better capture strength module. Yo, pick this shit up. Okay, thank you. Oh, hey, another egg is done. Lucky. Okay. What if I did this? Remarkable craftsmanship, artisan, and lucky can easily get onto one guy, right? Because the chances become so much faster. Male and female not present? Really? Oh shit. Where'd she go? Out of 10, would recommend this game. I think out of 10, this game is like a solid 7 for me. It's not a game where I'm obsessed with it. It's not a game where I'm like constantly striving for something. Unlike Minecraft, I guess. Minecraft, I can sit there and actually watch the videos and be entertained. Power World, I don't particularly care. When I watch a Power World video, I don't have the same excitement as like watching a Minecraft video. Or like the same intrigue. But I like it. It's a good game. Yeah, you have to join my Discord in order to join Power World, though. Oh, hey, the egg. The egg is done. And you're useless. Okay. Does this look like action to you? To be or not to be? Wise man. Might be better to be a little stupid these days. I'll be honest with you guys, I think maybe being stupid these days might be highly beneficial. You ever think maybe life would be easier if you were just a little dumber? Maybe you wouldn't care so much. I don't know. Maybe if I couldn't comprehend society, maybe life would be better. No. No, you don't think that? No? Where's this fucking egg? This egg says that it's done. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. This is female, that's male. Lucky, remarkable craftsmanship, work slave. What was I trying to get again? Remarkable artisan, work slave, lucky. Remarkable artisan, work slave, lucky. Female. Let's try this. You're useless. These are getting good though. We're getting closer. Look at these. If these three combine onto one, we'll be good. And I think I have a Flambell that's literally just luck. Wait, no. Remarkable. I need artisan. Right, okay. This is the one I need next. Male. Okay. It's a male. I think, do I have one that's just artisan, maybe? I do. And this one is female. Okay. Oh! Wait, this one's female? This one's also female? This one is level 7? But I don't get to compare the stats at level 1. Okay. Alright. Both of those are good. I think they're both the same, though. Oh, yeah. I wish I could see the stats on there. Yeah, they're both just artisan. Oh, okay. This one. Please keep one of the less of the failure Flambells in the party and throw it at the electric stove. Okay. Which one shall we throw? Probably this one. At the electric stove. Hey, look at her. Look at her go. Alright, Flambells. No, this isn't the ones powering my base that are fighting the extra jet help. Choo! Ugh. Close. Are you the strongest because you're a Jin? Or are you Jin because you're the strongest? Questions make you think. Teto, I think I was good question. I think I am strong. No. Being Jin is not a title for me. No, is it? My mom was also Jin. My mom is also a Jin. Maybe Jin is a title. Maybe the title does make me strong. How many of them do I need? One. I need one perfect one. Every single one we've gotten so far is not perfect. So we need them to pump out a perfect one. We'll get there. Surely. We'll get there. I got a little lost on what Flambels I was using. These... Okay, work slave, remarkable, lucky. Guys, I made lag. Lag? No, what? Yeah. Maybe I don't need these two anymore. Because these two are honestly pretty solid. Oh! Are you shitting me? You're the biggest disappointment of this generation! What? Slacker! You saw all of your sisters working so hard and you decide, I think I'm gonna go and be homeless. And I think I'm also gonna just be super lazy. And I think I'm gonna just embody the sin of sloth. Like, what? What? You can't possibly be serious here. Didn't drop that one. Drop what? Why? You want the one that was a slacker? Where did I put him? I'm back. Oh, hey, you're on Twitch. Welcome, welcome. Why do you want the slacker? I'm trying to find him. I'm trying to double check if it's just that guy. Yeah. Yeah, it's just this guy. Who do I want? How do I drop shit? Okay. That's how I drop things. And now, where did she go? Okay. Hey, do you have a baby for me yet? No. Okay. Is it me or does the texture say that there's an egg done in there? There's definitely no egg done in there. Wow. The huge and large eggs are almost done. How exciting. It's been an entire hour of just standing around and waiting. Cool. Anyway, Kosetsu, the pal is here. Are you strongest because you're Jin? Or Jin because you're strongest? You know, I was thinking about it. You know, my mom was also a Jin. I wonder if maybe Jin is a title for strongest. But you have to live up to the title. You can't call yourself a Jin if you don't live up to the title. Oh, you're butchering it? Okay. Man. Man. It's just so Asian. It's just so Asian. Your Asian parents just tell you to kill yourself. If you're that bad at being Asian, it just tells you to kill yourself. No slackers allowed. Oh my god! You're so close to shitting out your next baby. Please just give it to me. I'm distressed. A whole minute left. What the hell? Upset and not willing to do your tasks. What's wrong with the fucking Griswold? Why are you not cooking? Fucking cook. Brother. What's wrong? What's wrong, brother? There you go. No? Waiting to cook? Oh, not electricity. Okay. Never mind. Man, our electricity situation is pretty bad. Pretty bad. Ooh. I guess I'm taking all this leather now. Oh, it's done. Oh, that's actually quite good. Remarkable craftsmanship alone is really solid. Oh my fucking god. There are too many fucking pals in my fucking pocket. I do not know what I'm doing anymore. Where did she go? Okay. Holy moly, it... Okay, it's going up. Thank fucking god. (2 minutes and 5 minutes. Okay. Wait, no ad? I guess no ad. I don't usually, place a lot of ads. That thing is mostly just for, in case the system does work. But yeah, there's an ad that's supposed to run every hour, because that's like the least amount of ads that you can have on Twitch, but I guess sometimes it doesn't go. I don't know. Maybe it's just that good. Are they awake yet? They are still not awake. I can't believe they are just so close to shitting out another baby, and they just decided, oh, it's me time. Honk shoo, honk shoo. Honk shoo, honk shoo. Look at that. You were 1 second away from shitting out a fucking egg. And instead we had to just sit here and fucking wait. Okay, show me the goods. Huge mutated egg. Show me the goods. Oh my gosh. Sky Marcher, Demon God, Work Slave, Unstable. A Blaze Howl. What is this? Mount, jump, count +2. Attack +30, defense +5. This guy's kind of insane. Wait, I kind of rolled insane on this guy. Hello? Oh my gosh. His kindling is level 6 as well. This guy's kind of neat. Okay. Yeah, of course I'm keeping this one. This is the only guy I got. One of my mutants here because I won't be on to hatch it. Wait, but that means one of us will hatch it and it'll be ours. Did you want to give it to us or do you want us to just leave it alone? Did you see my comment? Oh. Are you a VTuber because you're Jin? Jin because you're a VTuber? It's both. Jin is my real name. Jin is my real name, so I created it myself. Of course. This is how all things go. Just drop it off at my base later. When did it despawn? I don't know if it despawns. It's kind of concerning. You should have... There's a spot in the PAL box for it. Oh, okay. Sounds good then. I'll drop it in the PAL box for you. Alright, which one is this? This one's the large one? Okay, I think this is just an alpha though. I'm fairly certain this is just an alpha Flambelle. I think because it was like 40 minutes. It's really not going to be anything special, unfortunately. I don't think it's going to have very good traits. You gotta set yourself up for failure. You're setting yourself up for disappointment and failure by taking so long, you know? Little Flambelle, you're gonna hatch, and you're gonna think that you're so fancy because you're so big, but... Unfortunately for you, we're Asian, and you're a Renjishi! What the hell? You're not a Flambell. Wait, it just does everything for the player. Wait, this guy just does everything for the player. That's so fucking funny. Are you kidding me? This Renjishi just does everything for me. Increases my reload, increases my whatever, increases even more shit. Wait, he came out and he's like, do not worry, mother. I will be your favorite. Let me read his stuff. He doesn't work. Yeah, he attacks. I mine better. I work better. And I also reload faster. Yeah, he's pretty good for on-field stuff. I'll keep him. He's good for on-field. Would you rather never gamble or never use the Pythagorean theorem for 5 minutes? Is this only for 5 minutes? Would I not gamble for 5 minutes, or would I not? Does the 5 minutes include gambling? Another large scorching egg? Damn, I kind of don't want them to be big. Oh, and it's gonna take another 40 minutes! Oh wait, that was mine. Oopsies. Wow, it's going. It's finally doing stuff. So the Flambells have not produced anything interesting this whole time, which is kind of a disappointment. So unfortunately, the Flambells are taking fucking centuries to pump out babies. Maybe I should just go back to the philanthropist ones. Alright, I'm gonna wait for this last baby to come out. And then we'll change it. Because these two are the ones from those two. Any... Remarkable, lucky work slave. Remarkable, lucky. Okay, remarkable and lucky on the same one is kind of insane. And then it was work slave, right? Yeah, so remarkable, lucky, work slave. So now I just need artisan. Wait. Patience is paying off. Remarkable, lucky, work slave, and then I just need, what are you? Male? I need female. Artisan. I think I should use this one. Philanthropist, artist? No, I should use this one. Conceited, work slave, lucky. No. I don't want dainty eater. But it has the philanthropist. Artisan's more important. Artisan, philanthropist, okay. Okay, and... But it's overlapping. It's the same skill, Buddha. Remarkable, lucky, work slave. Work slave. Philanthropist is also breeding faster. I wanted to breed faster though. It's only because I'm greedy. You think so? Do you think faster will cancel out the solo? Do you mind if I spam that? I don't think you can spam it. I think it's like 5 maximum per person. Or like per stream, so... Even if you spam it, I don't think you can spam it after 5. What are you doing in here, buddy? You need to go frick frag. Go fuck. Okay. Remarkable craftsman. Remarkable, lucky, work slave, artisan. That's it. That's all we need. We just need a copy of Mom and Dad to come out as a perfect mix. Well, this is the final generation, Buddha. You'll get your Flambell soon. Do you have your 9... You do not have 9 kindling handbooks. You need 9 kindling handbooks, Buddha, to max out the kindling. You only have 5, so you need 4 more. Oh man, I don't even know how you're supposed to farm for that. The books are hard. Yeah. Unfortunately, your Flambell would only go up to 6. We'll get there at some point. Yeah. It'll still be better than the Ignis, yeah, because the passives are just so much better. But each level actually gives it a huge boost, by the way. I think the difference between like level 3 and level 4 is literally like 300% work speed. So I think between each level is a couple 100% work speed increase. The passive, I think at most gives us like a 100-something% increase, so like a ×2. So ultimately, if there is a PAL with 1 level higher, I think it is objectively still better, unfortunately. So yeah. Actually, where's the Ignis at? Ignis is at 7. Yeah, so that means the Flambell and the Ignis will be on the same level with the Flambell plus the passives plus the books will be on the same level as the Ignis. That's what it is. So, yeah, you need more books for it to be better than the Ignis. Which is fine. He eats less. Yeah, that's true. Flambell does eat a lot less. Like, a lot less. It's crazy how much some of these guys eat. Jin and you. I can't even see what the image actually is.
If you guys have a prime, slap that prime on the table like a big fucking cock. Show everybody that you have a big fucking dick today and slap that prime on the fucking table right now!
You can give him Guy and Dane later? What happened to Rendishi? We're also, we don't have the capabilities to give these guys any abilities yet. We haven't gotten to that point in the game. But also, I don't know where all of our bounty tokens went. I had like 60-something bounty tokens that I was saving up, but I don't know where they went. I don't remember where I put them. I don't know if someone took them. But I wanted to buy some stuff with them, and they're just gone, so. Oh well. Sleepy, hello! You don't know if it's the mic or the headset? Well, is my stream music also dying? Is your game also dying? Is it just my mic? Okay, it's just my mic. Here, me. How is this? Is it better? Fixed? Okay, cool. Yeah, it's a driver issue. I think I have to update some drivers later. It's been kind of bad lately. But hi, Sleepy. Long time no see. Alright, there's just no fucking eggs for a while. Fuck me, man. Do I just move on? I don't even remember what teams I had. Sort by my favorites. Alright. This. 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 Actually, instead of this, I take this. Okay. This is my team. Alright. Oh my god, an egg. Oh my god. Okay. 6 minutes. I want to do something. I am bored and I want to do something. Should we go fishing? What kind of stuff should we do? How do we get those bounty tokens? We have to kill all of those bounty guys, right? We just kill these guys for the bounty tokens? I'm assuming. Raid another guild? Raid another guild? Like, the oil? The drillings? These things? The oil rigs? I know there's like a bunch of buildings on the edge of like some stuff. I think there was like a thing that you could fight here, or was it here? I don't remember. That I haven't bothered with. But like the thing is, I'm very weak combat-wise. Like genuinely, I'm very weak. It's gonna be hard for me to battle. No, fight another player. I'm like in ranked. How does fish work? You grab a fishing rod, you put some bait on it, you go find some fish, you aim at them, and then you start a fight. You fight them. And when you finish fighting them, whether you succeed or not, you get stuff or you don't get stuff. And oftentimes the fish are kind of neat, and they come with some rainbow skills for your water pals, and it's kind of cool. But it's always water pals, of course. What is this? Successful bounty token. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, okay, so I just have to... This is what I have in my base, catch them so I can butcher them for more bounties. Yeah, that's true. I do have a bunch of them. Sort by pal number. Give me the knife real quick. I gotta butcher my shit. Oh, he's working. That's how they die? They just glitch out? Bruh. I have the bonus from my pal? Oh, okay, I see. Well, it's a good thing I saved all of these guys then. I was saving them only for fun as a trophy type of thing, but turns out I guess they actually have a use. Did not think they did, I'm gonna be honest with you. I like how it doesn't hide their head. It's kind of like a shower. Fight against another player? How does fighting against another player give you the bounty? Well, we killed Cinnabar, that didn't drop us any bounties. It just dropped us his fucking loot. I don't think it dropped a bounty. I think he means in the arena. That's what I asked too. Raid causes us to have a bounty? I've never let a raid through before, so I wouldn't know. I just pay them off. Next time we die to a player, they collect the bounty? So we let a raid happen on our base. So we let the raid attack our base. Then we fight them off. And then we have another player kill us? What the fuck is the point of that? How many do we get from that? It better be like 100. Because if it's not more than like 50, it's not worth. Oh, actively raid another player's base? Oh, like actual PvP in server. Oh. Okay, I see, I see. Not just killing a person, but to actually like destroy their base. How was Fan, by the way? Very good. Wow, that Flamvel came out hella disappointing. What the fuck? Oh, I see. No, I'd rather just go around collecting the bounties then. Where do I even, like, redeem this shit? There was a town where I was supposed to be able to redeem this, right? Small settlements. What do they even have? Family was good. My niece did pretty well during the karate tournament, so very, very nice. Got to say hi to everyone, hang out. We didn't really eat any food together, but it's just scheduling problems, you know? Oh. Ah, this is where you get the implants. Oh, you can get the artisan implant here. Are there other implants at other places? Oh, and you can get technology points to this guy? Holy shit. Fisherman's Point is where you go for the better ones. Fisherman's Point. Have I unlocked Fisherman's Point? I don't think I've unlocked Fisherman's Point. That's the one on the volcano island, right? If it's on the volcano island, I don't have it. I think it's somewhere over here, right? I have the Oasis Town, the Dune Shelter, but I don't know if the Dune Shelter has anything there. Yeah, okay, yeah, I just don't have it unlocked then. That's okay. I want the technology points. Oh, 42, thank you. Alright, what kind of material is this? This is other materials. Okay, it goes downstairs. Catch me more of them? Alright, we can go around and grab a bunch of them. Alright. As the Flambells are doing their shit, let's go grab a few guys. We'll need another 48. Another 48 for what? For all the modules? Like one copy of each? Can't you buy multiple modules? I don't really care about... I don't really care about getting one of each. That doesn't really matter. What I care about is having the nice ones. Like the one down here has artisan, so you can buy artisan. No, it's perma unlock. Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. So then, when you perma unlock it, how does that work? Do you have to craft it? Come on, buddy. Get in the ball. There we go. Ooh, you pay gold at surgery table. Oh. I see. So much faster than... Huh. Is he there? Why do you do that? Aya. Get in the ball. Aya. Get in the ball. Shot up on his toe? Yeah. You catch him by the toe. Oh, there's a few things over here that I haven't gotten apparently. Let me go grab these things. How have I not gotten these things? That's kind of crazy. Probably because I missed them, because I was doing it on foot. I can't get off that? Okay. I hear fish. I hear sparkles. Where are the sparkles? Sparkles? Oh my god, there it is! The shiny! There you are! Do not attack the bitch. bowl. Come here. Come here, kitty. Yippee! Another shiny! Yay! Lucky Philanthropist! Oh my god. Oh my god. We're starting every breeding generation with this Tombat from now on. Holy fucking shit. Oh my god. That's insane. Oh, hey, there's some sheep. I was looking for these sheep. Oh, this is the island I've never been to. Oh, I've never been to this island. I see. There's also... Oh, there's also something over there. Oh, that's another island that I have not been to. Okay. I've just never been in this area. Alright. Noted. Alright, what did Kosetsu say? I have shiny for you too. You never picked up when I dropped it for you. Oh. When did you? When did you do that? I mean, I don't really pay attention to the in-game chat that much, I'm gonna be honest with you. I've missed Nuthen's chats like so many times, it's not even funny. I feel really bad. What is it? Sealed Realm of the Ardent. 2 nights ago? Damn. Yeah. Yep. Streamer luck. Pretty good. Pretty good. That's my 3rd shiny. I like how shiny hunting is just not that hard. Wow. I am very overleveled for this. You should feel bad. Thanks, man. Oh, hey, cool. Workaholic. That's good. Got an R-Socks with Workaholic. That's pretty solid. No, I don't want to enter the dungeon. I'm trying to ride my fucking pal. Alright, let's see. Anyway, the next bounty... Yeah, we must have the bounties. Bamboo grows. This is not bamboo. This is 100% not bamboo. Oh my gosh. Wait, am I flying the wrong way? No, I am flying the right way. Do not attack. Oh my god. It's my first one. Yippee! Yay! Where was this boss, man? Well, it's this guy, isn't it? Maybe Palt? No, it's not that guy. Where is this bitch? Oh, right there. Ow. He touched my shield. Oh, but there goes that guy. Alright. Next one. Okay. Did I ever get all of these Elfridams? Or are they called Elfridams? Fuck. Elfridran. Okay, whatever. No. No. It's dying! No! I've never completed all of these. Ugh. Fuck, man. Man, and now these Alpha Drans are like nowhere around. Fuck. I fucked up! Oh well. Where is this guy? Hello? Yay! Okay, next one. We could just fly there. Oh! Final. Another little guy. Aw, man. Nice. I think that's my third one? Oh, that was the last one I needed. Perfect. I think this guy was down here, wasn't he? Yeah. Come on, man. The ball is nice and cozy, man. Yeah, the ball is nice and cozy. Just come on in. Alright. Where to next? To the TP. Where is it? This one? Ah, there it is. Man, this place is so nice. I wonder if it's possible to build a base here, though. I feel like it should be possible. It's just gonna be really inconvenient. Huh? Hey, buddy. Where are you going, buddy? Hey, buddy. Oh, you know what? Sometimes combat in this game is fucking funny, man. Sometimes the combat is just a really silly moment. Alright. Now we gotta go all the way across. Did I fucking pass it? Oh, it is right here. Oh my god, it's so hard to see in this area. It is just pure fucking white, dude. Pure white. Oh, there was a bounty over there. I forgot. Whew. Oh, there he is. Ow. Oh. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my god. Okay, cool. I feel like I'm getting really old when you're just playing a casual video game with no real mechanics and your elbow starts to hurt still. Somehow, somehow your body finds a way to continue having a bad time. Isn't that something? Aha, there he is. Yo, why is this beacon on? Take it! Come into the ball, please! Please! Oh my god, the ball is very warm and comfortable! It's got temperature control. It's always temperate. It's not hot. It's not cold. It's always comfortable. Holy shit! We have food. I have food. We have lots of food at the base. We have so much food at the base. We have so much food at the base. It's delicious. Yum yum yum. Salad. Berries. Yay! Oh, you love the berries. Yeah, it's the berries. I knew it. You love the berries. Alright. Do we got any simple ones? Phantom's pretty easy. Huh. I've done Whisper, but not this guy. Alright, I vaguely remember this guy was in the trees. He was in the bushes. Where's this punk? Past him. Ah, there he is. Alright, buddy. You saw that guy? He wants to beat the heat. The heat is not good. Alright, I understand. The heat is all you know, but we got air conditioning. I know. It's very convincing. I understand. Do I have all of these guys? Hello, sir. Do I have all of you? Why do I feel like the answer is no? Oh, he's already dead. What the fuck? Alright. Let's see. How many have we caught? I don't know. Yeah, I found the corpse. I thought he was just sleeping. I wanted to catch him because he's useful. But no, he's just sleeping forever. Surprisingly, I haven't done this boss yet. I kind of neglected this island. I haven't explored much of it, honestly. So I haven't done this boss. Despite coming to this place. There's also that tower that I haven't got. Damn, he knocked back and I missed my headshot. Very cool looking guy though. Oh my god. Do you not want air conditioning? We have air conditioning. Come on, man. We have a fan. We have air conditioning. No, we have ice water. You ever seen ice before? We have ice water, sir. No, you don't like ice water? Okay, what about ice cream? We have ice cream. Do you want ice cream? Okay, you want ice cream. You have a sweet tooth. I understand. She's just dancing. That's funny. Yay! I didn't even have to convince her. What the hell was that? What is that? What the fuck is that thing? Is this a PAL? You've returned from the war. Welcome back. What the fuck is... Oh. It's a turtle. Oh, it's gonna... Oh my god! Am I playing Mario? Like, what is going on? I ran into the rock. Brick turtle for real. It's so fucking hot, don't go outside. Oh, man. Can you get in the fucking ball, bro? Oh my fucking god. Okay. Purple ball. Nice. Wow. Those stones are cargo. I'll set them somewhere distant and they will slowly make their way back home. Interesting. Alright, I have all of those. I was supposed to go fight a boss. Where is he? Oh, I found a different boss. Hold on. Hold up a second. I found a different boss over here. Oh, it's a big cube. Huge cube. He's gonna be really hard to catch. This is really annoying. Oh, Hell no. I do less than 100 damage? Uh-oh. You know what? It's time for the stick. I'm poking him with the stick. Yeah. Yeah. Poke him good. Yeah. This is the true meta. Just stick him up the butt. Right in between its shells. Oh, ow. Yeah, I'm gonna tickle your fucking thigh. I'm gonna bite your ankles. Oh, God. Oh, I got hit by that. I rolled too early. Okay. 25% at best? Oh, God. No, please. We have air conditioning. We have ice cream. We have ice water. We have... what else do we have? We have money. We have food. We have, like, salads and shit. Okay, I just wasted my last ball. Okay, how about this one? What the fuck? What the fuck? Who did that? My alpha cube. Oh man, I wanted my fucking alpha cube. Why'd these chickens have to do that? Man. Where even is this guy? Ugh, he's kind of far away. Oh, hey, cat. Oh, that's not it. That's not it. Alright. Oh, nice. This one has conceded. Oh, there's the guy. Hey, buddy. Hey, pal. His name is Whip. I'm just gonna get down. Poke time. Aw. Ow. Just keep poking him, Jin. Just keep poking him. Yeah, just keep poking him. Oh. Oh. Just keep poking him. Yep. Slow and steady wins the race every time. Alright. Wow. That guy was, very obedient, I guess. Oh, what happened to you? How did this guy die? Alright. That's probably enough for us, right? You can probably just go home now. You fell? Oh. You know, that'd do it. Alright, back home. Sort by Palpedia number. Oh, big boy. Big boy with the big sensor. Man, have the Flambells not done anything? What? What is happening? Why was it censored? We're just collecting some materials, man. Well, we're taking some inspiration from Epstein lately. I think Epstein's got some interesting ideas. Oh, that's not it. Is this it? Yeah, put that in there. Oh, lumbering him. That's good. Schematics. Murder? Wild statement? Is it a wild statement? We're just taking inspiration from real life samples, man. 33, very, very nice. Oh wait, wrong chests. Okay. Ooh, where's the other? It's the 33. So then we have 97. We have 97 of the things. Okay, yeah, we have 97 successful bounty tokens. How much do we need? A total 100, we said? We gotta go do a few more. But the thing is, I have never been to the other town, so it's gonna be kind of hard for me to get there. Unless you have a base or something. 105? Okay, so we still need to go do a few more. Alright. Yo, can these Flambells, like, start doing shit, man? I could fly, yeah. Sort by favorites. What did I put for the center again? You know what? I think we should train our Renjushi. Refine. Where are you going to refine? Where's this kid going? Is there another refining thing down here? What the fuck? Is this game bugged? This game is 100% bugged. What are we refining? Huh. It's because of how I put the furnace. Oh, they're on the other side. Oh, okay, I understand now. I didn't realize that these were slots for refining. So, what have you been doing this whole time, Buddha? Oh, oh! Did you finally make? Did you finally make everything? Oh, there it is! Oh. Nice. Wow. You did it, Buddha! Wahoo! This table took you 2 hours to make. It's so crazy. Oh, wow. 2? More like 6. I suppose so. Alright, so we have 103 successful bounty tokens. Do we even need the other table anymore? If this one can make the materials for us? Does this make all the materials for us? I have no idea, actually. Yeah, but they both make weapons. This one also makes weapons, doesn't it? Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay, my bad. I saw the ammo and I thought it also made the weapons. Yeah, I got it. I gotta go find him, though. Where is this guy? He is not at our base. Oh, wait, we can look. Oh, yeah, it's at Kosetsu's base. Okay. Oh, eggs. bed. Good night. Have fun with your war crimes. Thank you, Bags. Have a wonderful evening. Where is this guy? How much time on the mutant? A while. Did you already pay the guy off? Where is this fella? Man, how do I even find him in a base so convoluted? Where's this guy? The visitor left? Did you already pay the guy off? There's like a bunch of eggs in the clinic. No, the mutant egg is, Wait, is it yours? Did I already collect my mutant egg? Yeah, I guess it is yours. Because I think mine finished, like, in the first hour. Yeah. That's not mine. Shush, those aren't there? Okay. I mean, all of them are done, if you want to open them. I can't find the guy. I can't find the guy. I think he left. I hope he did. This base is just too fucking big, man. I cannot find the NPC. Oh. Panking and Pinking Lux. I wonder what those guys make. I mean, yeah, but I don't... There's no reason to have a room. I never sleep. Yeah, okay, this guy's just gone. Alright, whatever. Buddha, have you been opening the eggs? Fire guy on the oven.
Yeah.
Okay, the speed's not bad. I'm going to the other side. Here he come, spitting from the bottom. Yeah, there he goes.
Hey, it's me. I know we haven't spoken in a while. Things have been weird.
So Buddha, have you opened any more flambeals? Anything interesting from those flambeals? Opened a few, no perfect ones. Oh, I see. Unfortunate. Any of them we could use for breeding. Yeah. Oh. Let's compare. Lucky, artisan, work slave. Damn! Are you serious? Instead of remarkable craftsmanship, it got insulated body? Holy shit. It's 75% there. It's got 3 out of the 4. And then it chose the wrong 4th one. That's so sad. Okay. I know I have a flambeau probably somewhere. It's just remarkable craftsmanship, right? Yes, I do. Male, female. Okay, but it doesn't make any difference. Insulated body is still involved in it. We're just shifting things around. It doesn't make a difference. Man. It's good though, but it's not perfect, yeah. It's just barely. Oh well. We just keep at it then. Oh, 1 egg is done. Ah, 2 eggs are done. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Well, your mutated egg's almost done in a minute. Well, and I think we'll be ending stream in about 30 minutes. Let's see. I'm gonna look on to see who is streaming right now. Let's see. Twitch. Do I have anyone's Twitch in my friends? Adrian, Kari. Playing a bunch of what about Adrian? He's playing Splatoon. I don't want to go into more Pal World. Let's go into more Pal World stuff. Monster Hunter. Monster Hunter. Wait. Monster Hunter Worlds. Wait. That's peak though. Final Fantasy? Dawn Trail spoilers? Oh, maybe we shouldn't do that. What? I want to raid this guy. I don't know who this guy is. Whoops, that's not the right one. Ah. Why is the Twitch webpage so long ago? You would think that Twitch would have a much easier time. What is this? Oh, Ignis. We're really boosting the Snowfall guy. Lucky works there. It's okay, I guess. Minutes. He just drops it. Why did he just drop it? Buddha said don't touch anything because I'm following instructions, love out. No, he bet don't destroy anything. I don't want to die exploring. Food is here in this fridge. Take 100 salads. Food expires. Goes to waste. Oh, I did not mean to do that. I'm putting him back up. Was he cooking? He was not cooking. He was building. Oh yay, little Flambeau baby. description's funny, is it? While in party, Herbal uses its healing powers to restore. Punches you to resuscitate you? Oh. Yeah. There's some... Oh, 4 minutes. 11 minutes and 4 minutes. Helpedia description for the squirrel. When in doubt, punch it till it works. That's Herbal's approach to fixing things. When strength perfectly tuned for humans, sometimes just one punch is enough to restart a stopped heart. Oh! Oh, his CPR and the punch are the same. Oh, that's so cute. I love this guy. I need to create the most Giga Chad Herbal in this world. I think that's what I need to do. I need to create Giga Chad Herbal. Have you actually been on Palworld for 12 hours? It's maybe like 11 hours right now. Yeah. When I tweeted that I was getting on for 12 hours, I was genuinely logging into Palworld. And I took like I don't know, a half-hour break to eat, you know, get food and, you know, talk to my roommates and stuff like that. You know, took a shit, drank some water, you know. But like, yeah, I've been on for like 11 hours. Yeah. I'm clocking in for work, man. This is my job. This is my entire livelihood. Everything I've done in every single waking second of my life has accumulated into this moment where I log in for 12 hours and play a video game. Oh, we're working? Alright. $5 minutes to build this? Oh god. It's gonna take forever. Oh my god, he's helping us. And it went down by 20 seconds. Let's go! Oh god, this thing is huge. Upset and not willing to do tasks. Upset and not willing to do tasks. Damn. These little guys are really not having a good time. I wonder what's wrong with them. He got tired of working. I mean, why wouldn't he? Oh. Two minutes. 3 minutes. You know, if I weren't streaming right now, I would unironically be pulling my phone out and just start scrolling TikTok. It's like a real factory job. It's a real factory job where you genuinely just do the most menial task possible. But you're not allowed to be on your phone when you're doing those menial tasks in a real factory. Yay! We did it! Woohoo! Yippee! Yay! Everything's been upgraded! Oh. Marksman revolver. Ultra kill collab. Oh. Meteor launcher. Hmm. Yay, one of my exes done. Remarkable craftsmanship. Okay, that's alright, I suppose. Why the fuck is Sekhmet sleeping here? Brother. Wow, this guy is actually insanely fast. It's kind of crazy. I think I'll have to make some more salad. Upset and not willing to do work. Okay. I'm gonna need to figure out what's wrong with you. Where are you? Where are you, kiddo? Oh, you guys seem to be okay now. Huh. That's why you were telling me to use him? Yeah, I know. He's level 8. Yeah. Very solid guy. Nice. We have finally produced the 100 salads. Or the 1,000 salads, I mean. They've already eaten through all of them. Let's see. Stirred vegetables? I need to go buy some egg. I need to make some flour. We don't have flour? We don't have wheat? How do we not have wheat? The fuck? We have no wheat. That's not good. How do we have no fucking wheat? Two. Oh, we need so many eggs. We have no harvesters? We have no harvesters? Oh god. Damn, his harvesting's kind of crazy slow. Sort by gathering. Sort. 5 in gathering. 4 in gathering. 3. This is the best we got. Oh, there he goes. Bro, he harvests them by eating them? Brother. He harvests the food by eating the food? Does he poop it out or something? Okay, this guy's actually a really good worker for the plants. I'm gonna replace... Wait, is that the Broncherry? Oh, looks like I'll have to replace the Broncherry. Why don't we replace the Broncherry then? 5, 5. It's a 5. Yeah, these guys are just better. Okay. The icon is broken. I can't see how far they've... Oh, there we go. Yeah! Yay! The wheat is finally being harvested! Yippee! Wow, this guy works pretty fast. I kinda like this guy. Alright, cool. We finally have our shit moving. Oh, 25. Yikes. It's gonna be so slow. We have anyone for ice? It looks like we have no ice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 16. The base is starting to look really difficult to manage. Maybe time to create a solely breeding base so we can free up some space for laborers here. Which, as long as it has power, shouldn't have an issue with things running. Yeah, we don't have power though, is the thing. We don't have any ice guys. Oh, big fish. Big fish. 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 Very nice. Where'd the fucking fish go? Oh, he's watering? Okay. This fish is a 6 in ice. This one's a 5 in ice. What is idiosyncratic? PAL and player auto health regeneration rate plus 50%, defense plus 25, immune to poison and burn. Hunger decreases 20% slower. Valid for rideable. Okay. Increases reload speed. Wow. That's pretty good. I should go check on my flambels. How's the Jeffrey party going? How's the little Jeffrey party going, folks? Did we get anything interesting, Buddha? Oh, what does this guy give us? The other two only had 1 skill each. Man! Man! Bullshit. Wait, really? Yeah, okay. Oh? You don't want to use the big whale that he offered us? I mean, I have better stuff. I have better stuff if you want to use my stuff. The other two, if you want to. Yeah, sure, yeah. Yeah, alright. She's doing her job. She reaches, that's all that matters. It doesn't matter, it's okay. Nothing else matters, Buddha. Alright, well, we are approaching the time to end. I think we'll collect these last 2 eggs and see what we get for Flambelle. We were breeding Flambelle for 4 hours today. Nope, 5 hours today, and we still haven't gotten the perfect Flambelle. We're very close. Very, very fucking close. But no money. Should we worry about being canceled? No. Not at all. I'm the least controversial YouTuber you've ever met. In fact, I should say something more controversial. At some point. Alright, let me go find somebody to raid then. How world. Right. Do I recognize any of these people? I feel like I do. Oh, I sure don't recognize most of these folks. just saw a guy that has a really cute little puppet VTuber, but he's a lot bigger than me. I'm too scared to raid into someone who's bigger than me. I'm not gonna do that. Kind of rough, kind of rough. Alright, maybe I'll just raid into someone I know. Okay, let's look at these eggs. Give me something. Nothing! 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 Straight up nothing. Straight up. Okay, I'm gonna just raid. We're out of here. We're leaving. Okay. Here is the raid message. Please make sure to spam this as we are going ahead to raid Pika. Unfortunately, we did not get our perfect flamel today. Very unlucky towards the end. We were doing really well with all of the trade transfers early on, but man, what the heck? We got nothing. We got nothing towards the end. That sucks. Alright, well, let's go then. I hope everybody can span the Siege Invasion, and I will see you guys tomorrow for probably more Power World. Goodbye! Thanks for playing with me.